Nice brushes here. Ooh, and it's on sale. Suavecito pomade is great. It has a really great smell. Kind of like a men's cologne a little bit. The Manic Panic Vampire Red. It's really nice because it's a really dark red. Look at all these great colors. Ooh, leopard print, my favorite. So these are my favorite kind of combs, the Cricut silk comb. You can see it's got the nice wide teeth, but it also has this little open area here for sectioning out the hair. This looks like an interesting line. It has honey. This one has honey and castor oil, buttermilk and yogurt, mint and peppermint. Maybe I'll try the deep moisture mask, guacamole whip. These cute little mini irons are great for doing bangs. I use tweezers a lot. The Tweezerman brand is the best. They're a professional brand. And I tend to like these smaller ones because I can get in closer and it's almost like an extension of my hand. I think I'm gonna get these.